Here I have MICROMAX Canvas Pulse, and let me show you how to enter here the save mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key. Let's choose here power off, keep holding power off, and tap OK to reboot to save mode. So right now the device is performing booting into the save mode. Let's just wait a couple of seconds until you will be able to use your device in this mode. Alright, the save mode pops up. Now you can unlock your device and start using your device in this mode. If you would like to check out how your device works without the third-party apps, this is the best mode. If you would like to quit this mode, let's press power key, choose reboot, and wait until your device will be ready to use. Excellent, now you can unlock the screen and start using your device in a normal way. So thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.